Yes, please.
So what would you say to a young lady from Algeria who was brought up religiously and who stopped offering namaz and lost her faith because of this fanatical mullah and what's happened in Algeria?
That's it.
I didn't follow properly.
Sorry, I asked what Huzu...
None of us understood clearly.
Sorry, I asked what Huzu will say to a young lady from Algeria who was bringing up as a Muslim and religiously, and who stopped offering the prayer and who lost her faith because of the mullah and the fanatic and what's happening.
You see, the position is that if somebody considers the mullahs to be the custodian of the faith which was introduced by Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then he is bound to be misled if he discovers the mullahs to be wrong. So this is exactly the case applicable to that lady. He falsely thought that the mullahs represented the faith of the Quran. And when she discovered the mullahs to be stupid and senseless, he relegated this, attributed this to the Quran and the faith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So of that she had no right. But because of the common misunderstanding that the mullahs are the custodians of Islam, this mishap is observed everywhere in the world, not only in Algeria. I'm carrying this medicine with me, but just the suffering, you showed and said afwan. So with afwan, I give you it. Please.